Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete messages or message on your TikTok. So for example, you're going to have to launch your TikTok application and get yourself into a chat. Now what you have to do is, if you would like to delete a specific message, long tap onto it, select delete for all if you would like to do it for both the recipient and yourself. If you would like to do it just for yourself, only from your side, select delete for me. Now, in my case, I would like to go ahead and delete for all. So select delete for all. And as you can see, it shows you deleted a message. However, this comes with a time frame. For example, as you can see, the above hi message was sent on 29th of Jan. If I tap onto it or long tap onto it, it will only give me an option to delete for me. So bottom line, if you would like to delete the message, you have to go ahead and do it within like 10 or 15 minutes. And once you do that, this is how easy it is to, delete the messages. If you would like to delete a specific chat, all you have to do is come back onto your chat section, long tap onto the chat which you would like to delete, and select delete here. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.